42 decibels of active noise cancellation, ultra bass technology, and a massive 35 hours of battery life. Usually, we pay premium price for these numbers, but this is the CMF by Nothing Buds, and they cost less than 2300 rupees. Hey guys, welcome back to UnZip Tech. I'm Shubham. Today we'll be unboxing the Nothing CMF buds in light grey color. I haven't opened them yet, I haven't listened them yet, but we are gonna unzip this package together to see if actually the hype lives up to the mark, or it just feels like the another cheap plastic toy. Come along, let's find it out. Nothing is known for the unique design, and even their budget sub-brand CMF keeps it interesting. The packaging is super slim. This even reminds me of the Apple AirPods. Inside this, we have the user manual, which we'll ignore for now. We have the extra silicone ear tips in small and large size, and as expected with many budget Nothing products, there is no charging cable in the box, so keep your phone's USB-C cable ready. Okay, the first impression holding this case definitely does not feel cheap. I genuinely love the matte finish texture. It's not gonna attract the fingerprints or the scratches like those glossy AirPod clones that you get for this price. You will even notice the signature dial over here. On the Pro model, this does the stuff, but here it is an aesthetic lanyard point. It gives it the industrial cyber type look that matches with our channel vibe. Let's have a look at the buds itself. They are lightweight, but the specs on the paper are really heavy. Now, inside this tiny shell, they have actually packed the 12.4 mm of custom dynamic drivers, whereas most budget headphones in this price range actually uses just the 10 mm or the 11 mm. But here, Nothing is also using the biofiber diaphragm, which actually claims to deliver high definition sound. I genuinely expect that this bass on this headphone is gonna be good punching. Let's shift our focus from the bass to the headline feature, that is the 42 dB active noise cancellation. For the student like me living in Mumbai, silence is like a golden. If this can actually break down and block the train noise or the traffic noise, at this price, it's gonna be really amazing, especially for the students. It's sure gonna be the game changer. Now let's talk about the connectivity. So here we got Bluetooth 5.3 and the Google Fast connectivity feature, and a little bit spotlight on the battery. It's really crazy. It's 35.5 hours of massive pack. But the killer feature again over here is the fast charging. Just 10 minutes of charge can give you 6.5 hours of playback, which is I consider is insane. And in case of the fitting of this particular headphones, they do not stick out like those other bulky headphones, so you can properly wear this thing in the bed as well as you can use it for the workout sessions. And the passive seal that it got is like crazy. Like it gives that complete fit, so that now your ANC can give more better performance, which includes the active as well as the passive noise cancellation. So that's all about the first impression about this CMF Nothing buds, and make sure to let me know in the comments if you suggest any other device which can be more better than this. Make sure to consider the price as well, and also what are your thoughts on this device. Lastly, make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you get the amazing content like this, where everything is personally tested and then spoken about. So this is Shubham, and I'll catch you in some another video on UnZip Tech. Till then, bye bye.